Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share my recent purchases from Nykaa, so you guys can grab all the products that you have been wanting to buy for a longest time. So go ahead and put all your wish lists into your cart, and so that you can immediately grab it when the sale goes live. Without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. It came in two boxes. I did unbox it and put everything in one box. We're excited because most of them are makeup. So many requests for this item that I'm going to show you that I literally purchased because of you guys. If it works out, I'm going to be so happy. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be posting a short or a mini review. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but these are new makeup products, guys. I don't think I have a repurchase, so I cannot give you a first impression. It just wouldn't be fair for you guys as well. I need to try out any product, be it skincare or be it makeup. I need to try it at least for a month, then only I can give you my honest review. I wouldn't give you any reviews before that. I've gotten two products from Insight Cosmetics, and these both are new launches. The first one is a very new launch. It's I think launched very recently, and the one I think couple of months ho gaya hoga. So the first is, let's talk about the blush. This is the Insight Cosmetics On The Go blush stick, and this is in the shade Nude Play. Swiss Beauty also has a kind of blush, but I saw many reviews and people did not like that blush. Instead, people said that this blush is good. So I wanted a nude color for the longest time. I love the packaging. The outer packaging is nice as well. It's like this kind of like colorful packaging, and this is in the shade Nude Play. I think the outer box is depiction of the color itself. So since this is in the shade Nude Play, I think they have gone with a very nice beigeish packaging, and this is the inner packaging. I really love it. Looks luxe. It's a plastic, but it's a very good plastic, you guys. Yeah, the shade is mentioned at the top. It also comes with a very protective film or a plastic kind of a barrier, so I think I that's a good thing as well. This was, I think this was for 198, and this is the quantity you guess. It's a chubby stick, so I think itna quantity काफी time tak chalna chahiye. I'm not sure. And also, if people are having many blushes, I think this much quantity is good because you won't finish it otherwise. This was, the MRP was for 220, and I got it for 198 or 170, sorry, 178 rupees on discount. You're getting 6.5 gram. I told you 6.5 gram is quite a lot for the blush. So let me give you a swatch. I'm hoping कि ये वाला shade मुझे suit करे. There was a shade called Peach Play. I was damn sure कि वो तो बिल्कुल भी suit नहीं करेगा for Indian skin tone. So that's the reason I got it. I really hope that this shade suits. So this is the swatch, you guys can see, and it really blends out nicely as well. I did not try it out, but मैंने हाथ में try करके देखा. All these products I'm gonna try it out and then give you my honest review, you guys. But I need a little time to try these products. I cannot just give you review in the first impression. No. So this is the shade, you guys. I really hope that this shade suits me. What do you guys think? But अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. I've been in a lookout for a nude blush since a long time. I think this one is gonna be great. So this looks very matte. It's not a glowy blush, I suppose. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm excited for this. So that's my first product from Insight Cosmetics. Guys, then the next product is again from Insight Cosmetics. It's launched very recently. I just saw a shot, I think, and I immediately grabbed it because they had this offer wherein they said 10% off on like more than one product. So I wanted to purchase two products so that I could get 10% off. And this was very inexpensive. This is the Insight Cosmetics Squalene Long Lasting Cream Matte Mousse. This is a mousse lipstick, and this is priced for 170. I got it for 153 rupees because of the 10% off, and the shade is in the buttercup. It has a lot of claims: a velvety matte finish, smooth application. It has squalene for that moisturizing lips, but at the same time is waterproof and smudge proof as well. And yeah, there are a lot of details mentioned on, and this is the packaging. And I'm gonna put up a review after using this. And guys, I went really bold this time. I never have used such a shade in my life ever. This is also like sort of like a very berry purplish, but a very bold statement kind of a lip shade. And I generally like to pick up these kind of a shades. If at all I want to experiment on certain shades, I like to pick it on a very affordable range rather than going on a, like a mid-range or an expensive bougie lipstick. But then because then you won't be able to use it and you won't justify the price that you're paying it. Since I paid 153 rupees, I think even if I get a like 50% use of it, I'm gonna be like satisfied even if I don't finish this. This is the outer packaging. This reminds me like the Miss Claire soft matte lip cream. Those were the lipsticks that I initially started using back in 2016 2017. I got my hands on those Miss Claire lip cream and they were really good. So that's what it reminds me. It reminds me of Miss Claire NYX soft matte lip cream. So let me give you a swatch. Oh my god, this is so bold. It applies mousse, you guys. Yeah, it applies mousse. Even though this is a darker shade, it's not a patchy whatsoever. This is the shade. I'm hoping this shade suits me. Maybe I have a look in my mind. Maybe if I'm wearing a if I'm wearing a yellow outfit, I think this kind of lip shade is gonna look so good. Yellow पे purple lipsticks or berry tone lipsticks बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. So that's the kind of look I have in my mind. Going for a trip very soon in the coming weekend, and I'm not going to disclose the place that I'm going because I feel that it gets jinxed. Still, I go and reach there. That's when I kind of let it out, be it Instagram or be it wherever on social media. So I have a yellow gown for that. I need to style it. So probably I'm going to use this lipstick. I'm very excited. I don't know how it's going to look on me. And they have said waterproof, smudge proof, everything. I'm going to test it out. So that's my two products from Inside Cosmetics. Move on to the next product, which is the main thing for because of which I have purchased this, and this all products from Nykaa itself. So many of you guys commented for me to try out the Stays Cosmetics, Stays 929 Cosmetics. That's the reason I actually I kind of went ahead and bought this. I got it at a very good discount. Stays Cosmetics पे अच्छा discount हमेशा ही रहता है. I don't know how. So इसीलिए मैंने 3 प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदा. फिर मैंने देखा कि इनसाइट में भी ऑफर चल रहा है, दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स में भी ऑफर चल रहा है. So I just like added to cart, and all of these products I got at a good discount. Plus they had a weekend offer going on wherein they had a coupon just with 300 rupees or offer mil raha tha. So that's how I picked up all these products. So if you guys want to share my packing details, like what all things and how I pack for my staycation, like 3-4 days ke trip mein, if you guys want that video, I would like to shoot it, like how I like to pack my bag, etc., what all skincare or travel things that I like to carry. If you guys want me to make that kind of a video, then please comment me in the comment section below. If even I get one comment, I'm gonna make that video for sure. I picked up actually 2 products from Stays Cosmetics, and I got this kajal free, so you guys can know why I got these many products from Stays Cosmetics. So one of you guys commented me that you want me to try this mascara. This is the Stays 929 All Eyes on You mascara, and review it for you. So that's the reason I got it. I haven't even opened it, so I'm gonna definitely use it and then put up a video or a short. This is the All Eyes on You mascara, volumizing, waterproof, 12 hour 5 ml. It's a high impact volume, no clumping, and black is black. इनमें शायद एक ही आता है. This is for 349. Obviously I did not pay the full price. They were having very good sale on Stays Cosmetics. I'm gonna pop up the price on the screen just for you guys. I like the packaging. ये mascara बहुत viral हुआ था. This was a tubing mascara. It got viral because it was not difficult to remove. Since it was a tubing mascara, you can like slowly massage it, and the mascara comes out in tube form. Something like that. I think I've used the L'Oreal Air Volume mascara. That mascara performed in the same way. Like it used to get removed in form of tube. So I'm hoping कि ये भी अच्छा ही काम करे. The packaging is nice. It doesn't have any fragrance, which is a good thing. मुझे mascara में fragrance क्यों चाहिए मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. I am not sure इसका formula शायद watery है. I'm not a fan of very liquid mascara, but let's see. मुझे इसका wand काफी अच्छा लगा. It's like an hourglass wand. I hope you guys can see. hourglass wand है, तो I'm hoping कि ये वॉल्यूम दे, और क्योंकि ये hourglass है तो मुझे लगता है ये लेंथ भी देगा. इसका bristle मुझे plastic ही लग रहा है rather than like the fiber one. I'm very excited to use a mascara. I'm always excited to use new mascara. If it fits, then it's a new affordable mascara. The next product, this kajal, I got it for free because I purchased 2 products from Stays. This kajal is absolutely free. This is the Stays 929 All Eyes on You Kajal, smudge proof, waterproof, 24 black is black. I think ये भी I don't know कितने shades में आता है, but this one I got it for free and this is 200 rupees. This is the packaging. It's like a normal काजल का जैसा पैकेजिंग होता है वैसा है. I don't have a काजल right now at this moment, so that's the reason मुझे ये free दिखा तो I immediately picked it up. Plus it's always good to get a free product, right?
निकल क्यों नहीं रहा है?
So this is the kajal. So this is the kajal. It's like a normal अपना Maybelline Colossals Lakme kajal के साथ है iconic kajal. It's like the same packaging. Let me give you a swatch. By the way, ये lipstick अभी तक पूरा dry नहीं हुआ है, so I don't know how this is gonna be waterproof and smudge proof. I'm sure it's gonna smudge if I try to rub it. I'm gonna give you a swatch of this. Oh my god, guys, this kajal. Oh my god, this kajal is so creamy to apply. I did not expect that. I'm gonna use this kajal today itself for work. I'm not a kajal person, but I reckon I can use it on my upper lash line and the waterline, and that way I'll be able to test out its smudge proof and waterproof and whether it's 24-hour long lasting. Even if it lasts for 6 hours, for me the kajal gets a thumbs up. 24 hours tak to koi kajal laga ke rakhta nahi hai, to be honest. The application of this is so creamy. I mean, for the longest time I haven't like tried out a kajal which applies so creamy. So, and I wouldn't say it's blackest black, theek hai, black hai, but I've used like more black kajal in the past. So okay, for pigmentation I'm not mad. It's not blackest black, but the pigmentation is quite good as well. Then the third lipstick that I got is Stays 929 Love Triangle 3-in-1 lipstick. This is the Stays 929 Love Triangle lipstick, 3-in-1 lipstick. ये लिपस्टिक कितना वायरल हुआ था. आई थिंक आई एम द लेट टू हॉप ऑन दिस लिपस्टिक राइट नाउ. आई थिंक सब लोग ने यूज करके शायद बैक साइड पे रख भी दिया है. So the packaging is quite interesting क्योंकि ये triangular lipstick है तो उसका outer packaging भी triangle ही है. So anyways, there are a lot of details on the carton packet. I think the packaging is good. It's vegan, cruelty free, dermatologically tested. I am in the shade 03. I'm sorry I didn't mention it. Lipstick's MRP is 449, but I got this lipstick for 380 or 400 rupees. I'm not sure. I've definitely popped the price. The prices are gonna be including the offer, not the MRP. This is the packaging, and the lipstick itself is like the bullet itself is very luxe. It's a plastic bullet, but it has like the triangle shape. I'm not sure. I swatched it once. इसका स्वॉच देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं कि इतना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहेगा जितना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ये बोल रहे 12 आवर. And another thing is this kind of a lipstick. I don't know whether you guys remember, Faces Canada had launched a lipstick which was jewel cut lipstick with that golden packaging, which also had like such kind of a hexagon and triangle kind of a shape. It was very difficult to apply because अपना natural lipstick का जो contour और lipstick का जो shape होता है, that is very easy to like for the application, but this kind of like it's not very convenient for to apply. But yeah, I like the idea that they came out with like 3 different shades and everything. This is in the shade Caramel Rose. So I'm gonna apply one by one to you guys. So the first shade is this one. This is a peachy pinky shade. The second shade is a straight up peach shade or a brown shade, sorry. And the mixture of both is this one. So these are the 3 shades. The first shade is a pinky peachy shade. The second shade is a straight up a brown shade. And this is the mixture of the 3 shades. So you can definitely see there are like 3 different shades. And मुझे लगता है कि ये तीनों भी शेड, ये थोड़ा शायद ब्राइट हो सकता है, but तीनों शेड्स अपने आप में शायद डस्की स्किन टोन को सूट करेगा. However, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna put this out for my entire work, and I'm gonna tell you guys how well the longevity is and how well the lipstick lasts as well. So guys, I think we are coming to the end of the video, and these two products that I'm going to show you are not the recent buys, recent recent new launch. The first one is the K Beauty concealer. I have been eyeing on this concealer for the longest time, but like you guys know, I don't like to hoard the concealers or hoard any makeup products for that in general. So my Swiss Beauty concealer is kind of like I'm kind of hitting the tube. Maybe like in 5-6 uses it's gonna get over. That's the reason I thought I need a replacement for that concealer. And again, I like to try out different products. I never repurchase, no matter like kitna bhi acha concealer kyun na ho. I like to try because there are so many variety of concealers in the market. So why to stick to that one? But this concealer has its own base fan families. So I think every product that I've tried from K Beauty has been like top notch. मुझे ऐसा एक भी product नहीं है जो मैंने K Beauty से try किया और मुझे वो अच्छा ना लगा. So I'm having like very high hopes from this concealer. I'm in the shade 175 tan. I'm hoping that this shade matches to my skin tone. I don't want a darker concealer. I don't want a highlighting concealer. I want a concealer which is exactly of my shade. 175 tan is the shade in foundation as well. I've used their foundation, K Beauty foundation, the OG one, way back when they launched, and I kind of finished that foundation as well. So their MRP is 849 and I got it for 756 rupees at offer. और कोई ऑफर इन लोग में इनमें चल नहीं रहा था. This is the HD liquid concealer enriched with morula and rosehip oil, and I am in the shade 175 tan. This is the packaging. Guys know already about the K Beauty. I hope that this concealer shade matches to me. I'm gonna give you a swatch right here. It's very creamy to apply, and I think ये शायद shade match हो जाएगा. I'm not sure whether it oxidizes or not. Have you guys used this concealer, and like how well it works? Please comment me in the comment section below. So this is the shade. मुझे काफी अच्छा लग रहा है ये shade. However, this doesn't look like a full coverage concealer. That's what the reviews also said. There's a medium buildable coverage. So I'm very excited to use this concealer, and in my future videos, I'm definitely gonna include this concealer more and more. And the last product is this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Moisture 72-hour moisture sealing conditioner for detangle hair. इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है ये वीडियो से. It's just because it came in the parcel. I'm showing you guys. It's very good for dry, frizzy, chemically treated hair. Nothing to say about this straight. I've already raved a lot about this. So that's that. Since I purchased so many products, Nykaa kind of gave me a freebie. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost 5x hydration for plump dewy skin. So this is the वो अपना OG जो Neutrogena का जो water boost moisturizer है, ये शायद वो है. It has a lot of fragrance. That's why like I refrain from using it. Otherwise, it's very good for oily skin or combination skin. क्योंकि ये gel formula है. People even said that it's a dupe for Clinique, but it's a lot of fragrance. So that's why like I never used it. So probably I'm gonna put this in my travel kit, and I'll probably try to use this. This has 1% natural moisturizing factor complex with hyaluronic acid, amino acid, electrolytes. So that's the freebie. I've come to the end of the video. Also guys, I am in a different setup. I'm in my bedroom because it's so cloudy outside. मेरे hall में बिल्कुल भी there is no light at all. Unless I sit very close to the window, light बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, और जो मेरा ring light is not gonna serve the purpose. So that's why there's a change in the air setting. And also this was not a mini tutorial or a lip or any lipstick swatch video. I didn't think that natural light was important because this was a haul video. So that's the reason I am in this setup. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I got the stays entire thing only because of you guys. Stay tuned for that. I'm definitely gonna test them out and share my honest opinions with you guys. I'd like to take off, and if you guys are new here, please be a part of my family and click to the subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and do all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care and have fun.